everyone, this is Kanika Rajot from Manage CIA team.
Hi, and I'm Ayush from the Manage CIA team. We are here with an exciting opportunity for all those who want to take their agribusiness and startup ideas to the digital world.
So let's get started.
Because today having a great product or innovation, it is not enough. People need to know about it.
Just think about it. When you want to know about new business, new product or new services or about even a new startup, where do you usually look?
Of course, online.
And this is where digital marketing helps you. It makes your venture more visible, connects you to the right people, and help you draw meaningful connections.
So, whether you are an early stage agri-startup trying to build your brand or an agripreneur wondering how to promote your business online,
We have something special for you.
Digital marketing skills for Agri-Startups.
This is 10 days online training program offered by Manage Center for Innovation and Agripreneurship.
During these 10 days, you will explore the world of digital marketing. From understanding the basics to learning how different digital platforms can support your business.
So in this program, you will cover social media marketing, SEO, SEM, email marketing, mobile marketing, content development, content marketing, PPC advertisement, and how to develop a website, and about the more social media trends.
But that's not all. You will also explore how modern AI tools like ChatGPT, Steve AI, and FreePick can make your content creation process faster and smarter.
You will learn how to create a stronger online identity, develop engaging content, increase your visibility, and how to communicate effectively with your target audience.
And as every startup is different, we have in this program a hand-holding mentorship and personalized mentorship so that you can draw meaningful strategies for your own venture.
Whether your audience is active on Instagram, WhatsApp, search engines or any other digital platform, you will learn how to reach them and what your audience wants.
And that's what this program aims to help you understand the world of digital marketing.
The program is open for Agri-Startup, Agri-Entrepreneurs, students, professionals, startup mentors and anyone interested in strengthening their digital marketing skills.
The registration fee is $5,000 for Indian participants and $60 for international participants.
So if you've been thinking about taking your startup online, increasing your digital presence, or simply learning how the digital marketing works,
This could be the opportunity you have been waiting for.
The last date for registration is 10th September 2026.
With us, learn and brush up your skills.
build your presence.
Reach your audience.
And give your Agri-Startup the digital push because it deserves.
Register now for the digital marketing skills for Agri-Startup program by Manage CIA.
And do visit our official website, which is www.manage.gov.in/managCIA. And thank you for joining us.
So don't wait and register today.